Alright, we're gonna do some videos for you guys on the compound. Currently, I am on level 11, Survivors Recommended. I started doing level 12, looks like on the Delivery Man. Let's start on the car crash for now. So when we gotta push the cars, kills the horde. Some people like to farm on this. It's not a favorite of mine. I'd rather farm 7.4 to be honest. I think it's a lot more XP to be had for my time. On this one, I like to go with a hunter. I use my level 16 Ray. And I usually grab a second hunter. I still got one trainer that I picked up in the challenge. We'll go with Luke here. And for now, I'm going to go with my warrior. Eventually, I'll switch out Luke for one of my shooters. But I'm not going to do that quite yet. That's only when the fatties get too big to handle for my hunters. But when I need to one-shot or take out the fatties, I will bring a shooter on board. And let's give it a go. Okay, you can kind of see here we got a couple of fatties up on the top. And you have you guys on the right hand side here. So I'll first try to take them out. I do like to, I didn't do it this time, line my hunter up on the right side. Because you can take out all three guys with the first one, but we'll have to do that next time around. Alright. Yeah, at this stage, my hunters can pretty much whack any of the fatties that are staying around here. Okay, I kind of messed up there, but I will dodge. Oop, I thought I would dodge, but I'm not taking too much damage on this place. Alright, so we gotta kill the rest of this horde. And then we're gonna close off one of these cars as soon as possible here. Alright, I don't like to do it this way, but it'll work for now. Right now they closed off that one. It's pretty much cake from here. I'll bring my guys down. I'll use my hunter to clear off the remaining guys. And I'll close the last car. And that's it, 3 stars. Not too much muss and fuss. There's not a whole lot of strategy on the lower levels for me. I will do a higher level later on. Maybe that'll help some of you guys. A little more my strategy for the higher levels, but lower level, it's pretty basic.